The future of freight transportation is heading towards greater automation and connectivity. Self-driving trucks are just one piece of the puzzle. We can expect to see further integration of technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchain, and the Internet of Things, IoT, in the logistics sector. These technologies will work together to create a more efficient, transparent, and resilient supply chain. Artificial intelligence will play a crucial role in optimizing logistics operations. AI-powered systems can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns, predict demand, and optimize routes. This will lead to more efficient use of resources, reduced waste, and faster delivery times. Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize supply chain transparency and security by creating a tamper-proof record